is a very nice model from 2017. As you can see, it has its carport with a space for easily for 3 cars, and the property is in a very good shape. The listing agent is my colleague Martha Rivera. Here you got her phone in case you want to call her for any details. And well, if you probably are aware of my channel, my name is Nacho Yanez from Advantage Homes. I'll be available on my phone number that you can find on my channel as well for any clarification. So without further ado, let's go to the home. So this is the entrance. As you can see, the home is kept in a very nice state, and there's a flyer, but I have a flyer inside that I'll be able to show you. This home looks like new, you know that, and you will see the inside really feels like new, but it's not new, so the price is much better. Price is $120,000, and yeah, it's financeable. So let's go in. First of all, this has a nice porch right here, you see, and you have a nice view from it, and so there's a space here for a table or anything that you want to put. And so this is the main entrance. Okay, and oh well, I'm sorry because I'm giving me messages that if you see the image, you know, and you have to turn your phone, please do, because honestly, I'm sorry, I don't know how to turn it. I'm not very familiar yet with this technology sort of thing, so but bear with me. So okay, this is the home. As you can see, it has, you know, these nice floors all around. It actually looks like wood, but it's not. It's vinyl, and it's even better because it's more resistant and it's fully waterproof. So you can see here, this is the like the dining area, okay, with a lot of light, with two big windows here, and right after we have here the kitchen, and it comes with everything that you see, you know, and comes with the refrigerator, you know, the microwave, the stove, and dishwasher as well. Okay, these countertops look really nice. They are granite actually, so that's very good. Yeah, and well, here's the flyer, but I'm gonna just show the flyer in case you want to see the video and so on the technical details, but I'll remind them again. So it's 2 bedrooms plus a den, 2 bathrooms. Kitchen has granite countertops. It comes, we will see, the washer and the dryer. It has a refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher included. It has air conditioning. It has a shed, and it has many upgrades. So the size is 20 by 56, so good size, you know, 1120 square feet. And as I was telling you, the park is senior, okay? It's a great quiet park called Palace Gardens. Here you have the address, it's in Chula Vista, okay? And well, this is the sink, and it has, you know, some upgrades, as you can see. Very nice, and everything works nicely. And well, what else? Let's see the inside. You see, okay. Very good shape, and it all stays, okay? Another important thing about these virtual home visits or open houses, if you want, I'm only gonna do them where homes are vacant. So I want to insist and keep the social distancing, so don't expose ourselves, don't expose anybody. This is just me, you know, and my phone. This is the living room. It's quite spacious as well and very sunny. The other good thing, besides the air conditioning, this home has ceiling fans all across, It's very nice, very, very nice. And this is the bonus room, okay? That's called the den. The difference with a normal room is that it doesn't have a closet. You can put a closet in here, but it has a perfect size, and also it has a lot of natural light with this big window to be an office or a family room, and so, and it has, yeah, a ceiling fan as well. So yeah, and as you can see, the home is very quiet. All these areas very quiet. You can hear nothing but my voice. And yeah, let's go in. So this is the hallway. It has all recessed lights, which is very nice. Very, as you can see, and the cabinets as well. They offer some good storage space. And here on the right, we have the bathroom number 2, and it has, you know, it's vanity. Again, granite countertops. As you can see, the people that lived here was really careful, because everything, you know, the mirrors and everything, it doesn't have a scratch. It's in very, very good shape. And it also has this nice, you know, extra mirror, which is actually a cabinet, medicine cabinet. And on the other side, here we have a full bathroom with you know, the tub and the shower. And well, it has, this one has curtains, but you can put whatever you want. Okay, let's continue. So now going on the hallway, if we turn on the left, we have the bedroom number 2. As you can see, it's not very big, but it's spacious enough for a good bed. And one plus that it has is the closet doors are sliding, which is a plus, because that means that you don't have problems, you know, to open the doors if you put some furniture nearby, or you want to put a bigger bed or something. Again, you have your ceiling fan, and it has a lot of light as well. And what else do we have here? So here we have, this is the laundry room, but we're going to see in detail a bit later, because now we're going to go here to the master bedroom. Okay, the master bedroom is the biggest room in the house. See, the same flooring all across, which is very nice. This has this 2 big windows, and because it's the master, it comes with the master bathroom as well, with some cabinets and the vanity in there. Again, granite countertops, very nice. And what else? This is a very nice walk-in shower, which is, it comes handy because remember, this is a senior community. So to live in here, people needs to be 55 or older, one person, and in this particular park, the second person needs to be 35 or older. So they do not admit people younger than 35. Okay, this is the walk-in closet, nice and spacious as well, as you can see. Okay, and well, what else? I mean, if there's any questions or anything, just to remind you that the price of this home is very attractive. It's 120,000. The home is vacant and it's available. Okay, let's go finally through. This is the laundry room, and this includes washer and dryer, so they are included, and as you can see, they're in pretty good shape as well. And again, it comes with a closet here. Let's see, and for some storage. And this is the side door, to the carport. Okay, and well, before we go out, just so you know, here is the furnace. Okay, this is the furnace, and in this case, air conditioning unit as well, because it has both. Okay, and you control through a thermostat that is there. You see right there on the wall. Very easy. Okay, I forgot to mention that it has some more closets here, you know, for storage, which always comes handy. So let's go out. Let's see the carport. Okay, see, this has room for like 3 cars up to there. You see, this is the AC unit, and these are the meters. It has a bit of nice garden area in here. You can, if you want more space or you want to configure it different, you can do it. This is like a side patio in here. See, and you can put here tables, chairs, and so as you can see, there's fence all around, which is a plus, because it's just something that you don't need to do. It's already done, and a lot of privacy because you don't have neighbors in the back, and the neighbors on this side is already well isolated by the fence and this kind of screen. So if we continue moving on the back, again, low maintenance yard. You can change it. You can put tiles for patio or lawn or whatever you want to put in here, but it comes very easy to maintain. And that's the shed, which is quite spacious. Let's go in. Yeah, nice, and it's plastic, and yeah, here you have room for a lot of things. And again, I mean, looks like new. All right, so also here it has a space on the side, which is good. It has some good separation with the neighbors. And again, if you wanted to add something here like plants or put some more outdoor furniture and so on, you can totally do it. That's the trash, and yes, the park has a service of they pick up the trash, you know, on certain days. And living in one of these mobile home parks is very nice, especially for the elderly people, because they have their privacy, but at the same time you're in a nice community. Okay, so well, this is mostly it. What I'm going to do is just do another turn around on the front door, and I'm going to show you finally all the information again on the flyer. Okay, and with that, I think that will be it. As you can see, they allow dogs in here. Normally in these parks they allow dogs as long as they're not very big, so you can keep them inside. Okay, let me give you another look of the thing. It's very nice and professional. It's 2017 home. It's quite a new design. So, and again, if you want more information, more details, you want more showing, don't show in person. Just let me know, and I can do like video conferencing or whatever it takes, you know. But please, please, please stay safe. Don't come by, you know, don't expose yourself. I can do that for you. Okay, so you can enjoy this from the tranquility and the safety of your home. All right, so let's have a final look at this and remind the main points. So price is 120,000, and yeah, that's a great value for your money. Well, these are some photos I was seeing. So it's 2017, 2 bedrooms plus a den, 2 bathrooms. There you have it, if anybody's interested in the serial numbers of the property. The size is 1,120 square feet approximately. And well, this is everything that includes. And Well, I think this is about all. This is all for now. Thank you for watching. I see that there's 5 people watching live right now. The video is going to be on my page, Nacho Yanez Mobile Homes Chula Vista on Facebook. And any questions, anything that you have, please don't hesitate with your comments. Also help me, because this is a new era. I'm stopping doing, of course, physical open houses and physical showings of the home because of safety. So if you have any more suggestions, I promise I'll find out how to tilt this, not to have you tilting your phones, but this view, this panoramic view is quite good. So thank you so much for watching. This is Nacho Yanez, Mobile Homes Chula Vista. I'm going to remind you my phone number in case you need to contact me. Of course, I'm available on Messenger as well, but my phone is 619-551-0420. I'm going to show you my face. Okay, so thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. And this is all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.